What if we stopped using refrigerators? Your kitchen would turn into a science experiment, and not the good kind. Without refrigeration, milk spoils in 2 hours. Meat becomes dangerous in just 4. Leftovers, full of bacteria by dinner time. Basically, say hello to food poisoning. But how did people survive before fridges? Simple. Salt it, smoke it, dry it, or dunk it in honey. Fun fact: honey never spoils. Archaeologists found 3,000-year-old edible honey in Egyptian tombs. Refrigerators didn't just make life easy, they made food safer, wastage lower, and lives longer. So yeah, next time you grab ice cream at midnight, thank science. Like this? Subscribe to Factlet Forest for bite-sized science facts and food stories you'll love.